Hello guys, welcome to JRS Talks. In this video I am going to answer all the comments which is commented in this video, tips and tricks to crack HR interview in the Cognizant, and what is the difference between GC and GC Next 2021 pass outs and JRS Talks. It's the title for this video. For this I got 67 comments. Let's see. Thank you guys, thank you for your supporting, thank you for 132 likes, and for this video I am expecting 200 to 300 likes. I will answer all the all the comments, but before going to the comments, one thing I am going to tell again, please, if you are not subscriber, please subscribe our channel and like this video and share this video to your friends. And one more thing is, in description I am providing the Telegram group link. You can join in that group by clicking that link. If you join in that Telegram group, I will provide more and more information regarding this job notification and all the Cognizant TCS and topmost MNCs. All the job related info, latest info will be displayed in that group. You can join and enjoy those videos. Let's see the comments here. The latest comment is here, the Mayank Kumar Singh is asking digital resume. Please give your number. Okay, in description I will provide my number. You can contact me regarding the digital resume. Why he commented like this? In the sense, in this video I told that resume is very important for the selection of any company. The three types of resumes we have. First one is normal resume, and second one is digital resume. We can create a blog, or else we can create any portfolio for your data. And third one is video resume. Here this person is asking the digital resume. I will give complete info regarding the digital resume. Please contact me. I will provide the number in description. And second one is Quick Live. I am from mechanical. I have solved 80% in all other sections, and I have done 0 automata fix. Is there any chance for Gen Z? Okay, I am not sure, but for Gen Z they will not see for only individual cutoff, they will see for total cutoff. Okay, if you score good marks in other sections, even you score 0 in automata, you may have chances to select for the Gen Z. But for Gen Z Next, you are not eligible, you are not able to qualify. You may have 60 to 70% of chances to selected for the Gen Z. Okay, your query is solved, I think. Quick Live. Second one is Muskan Mala. Yes sir, I am from EC department, done to automate and almost 80% in aptitude. Is there chance to get Gen Z interview? Okay. Yes, Muskan Mala, you have chance to selected for the Gen Z interview. Don't worry. But I think there is no scope for Gen Z Next. You have chance for Gen Z. And Bochka Sanjay, how to apply, bro? Now the exam is completed. Now how can you apply? Applications are closed. Now written test is also closed. For few branches, for the few premium colleges, the results of the first round is also out. Okay, sorry Sanjay. And next one is Himani Panda. Sir, I have done 4 automata questions completely and all other sections was good. I am from CS department. Will I get Gen Z? Yes, Himani Panda. You have chances for Gen Z Next as well, because you completed 4 automata questions and all the other sections is good. So you have chance for Gen Z Next as well, not only Gen Z. But there is no any additional advantage with whatever department is it, whatever department you are. Okay, you may have that advantage in either technical round or else HR round, but in written round they didn't shortlist by using your branch. Okay, but I am trying that. Please try to build your digital resume like website. If you don't know how to build, I will provide my number in description. Please contact me. I will provide the digital resumes. Okay, please do a video on Accenture recruitment. Okay, Sai Krishna. Within couple of days I will provide the Accenture recruitment procedure, how they are recruiting and what is the process and what is the concepts they are asking, and when they will conduct the off campus, when they will conducting on campus, and what is the salary, what is the roles they are offering. All these things will be explained in further videos. In a couple of days I will provide that video. And next one is Navyasri. Guys, please help me in this. I didn't upload resume. Will I get disqualified? don't worry guys, even you not upload resume, again they will ask resume to upload you while interviewing in technical or else human resource. Okay, don't worry, but meanwhile you can prepare your resume very strength. Okay, you should put all your certifications and all your workshops, and be aware about that certification, be knowledgeable on those certification, be prepared for the certification. Okay, it's very important. When you are mentioned anything resume, you are giving chance to interviewer to ask anything on that resume. Okay, so that Navyasri, please don't worry, you can upload the resume what you prepared, what you prepared now. Okay, and Akshay Darshak, I have clicked the tab but have done all the questions, will be disqualified. No, you are telling that you by mistake you clicked the tab but you have done all the questions, will be qualified. No, it will not be qualified. Here I gave reply as well. No. Okay. And Swastik Dutta, sir, I am a CSC aspirant. It's not no need to mention your department here. For not managing the time, I could not solve single automata question. Is there any chance to qualify for Gen Z? Well, please let me know. Yes, you may have chance to qualify for Gen Z, but you don't have chance to qualify for Gen Z next. Okay. Here, SSN shopping. Hi bro, please do one video on after BTech which roles are there to do job without coding. Okay, actually in previous I am telling that in couple of days I will provide Accenture, as well as it's very concept guys. In my channel subscribers, those who are fear about coding, those who are not willing to do the jobs beside on coding roles, just I will provide one WhatsApp group and I will provide special training for them for the free of cost. I will provide job notifications only for those guys, those who are don't know coding. Okay, actually I will provide one WhatsApp link, maybe in this video on further after maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will do video. In that video description I will provide one WhatsApp group. You can join in that WhatsApp group. Those who are fear and those who don't know the coding, those who want the job roles other than coding, I will provide only the code without coding jobs only I will provide for them. Okay, don't worry. Here next one is Himrix. I solved 5 by 7 of questions of automata. Do I have any chance for Gen Z next? Please let me know. Yes, Himrix, out of 100% you may have 75 to 80% of chances to get selected for Gen Z next. If you do good in aptitude, reasoning and SR rating as well, then only you have chance. Even you 5 by 7 you should get good score in aptitude and that one as well. For GC 4.75 LPA after 6 months I guess. No, for GC, right? Okay, for GC initially they are telling that after 6 months they will provide 4.75 LPA, but it will not be happen. I think in offer letter they mention like that. Of course they mention like this. As a reality they will not actually after joining the company they will provide some training to you. It might be 3 to 6 months. They will give one technology, whether it is web technology or C# and RPA, whatever technology. You don't have chance to choose the technology. They will give technology, you have to stick to them and you have to write the exams on that. Okay, after the completion of exams they will give one project to you, mini project. You should complete that within time and then they will deploy you into real-time project. Okay, after the 1 year you have increments, right? Maybe you have 10% or 12%, hardly below 10% only for freshers. So you may have 4.5 to 4.4 to 4.5, that's all. But in offer letter they mentioned that we will give 4.75. It's not cut as well. Muhammad Sheikh, have not did neither project nor have not mentioned it in the resume. Is it important to write about project in resume? Yes, because why I'm telling you people, please mention that project in resume means it will be additional benefit to you when you are attending for the interview. Of course, let's see. Only one job is there. Two members are attending for the job. One person don't have any project, any real-time project. One person have the real-time project. to whom the interviewer referred to give a job? The person, those who are having, those who did the project previously, for him only he preferred, because he have some practical knowledge. That's why I'm telling that even you didn't complete the project, just think of and take one project idea from the Google. And actually we plan to do this project as a academic project in our final year project. We are trying and we learn this technology. We know IoT, we know machine learning. And if you tell like that, he will ask on which technology in machine learning you are using. We are having so many algorithms, okay, CNN algorithm, FCNN algorithm, and clustering and classification. We are having many algorithms in ML. You can learn any of one algorithm by surface and you can explain it into HR, TR. Then you have additional advantage to select for that company, okay, because it's a software company. They will expect some coding skills to you, okay. If you mention that project in your resume, then you will get then you may have high chances for the selection, okay. If you don't know how to prepare the resume, digital resume or normal resume, just contact me. I will provide my number in description. I will do resume for you and I will forward to you, okay. Just contact me in description. I will provide the number in description, okay. Maunika: sir, I am from EC department. I have executed only 2 codes in Automata and attempted very good in aptitude and essay writing. Am I eligible for Gen Z technical interview? Yes, you are eligible. And Sai Kumar Yadav: I didn't mention any candidate ID during login time. Is that fine? Actually, during login, they will ask one candidate ID, I think. If not mentioned in the sense, by cookies, it was taken automatically. I think you log in 2 times. That's why they didn't ask the candidate ID, I think. When the results will announce, bro? Hari Kandula: actually, as per my knowledge, the results are out. Sumant Kumar: sir, please suggest about Infosys interview because written test results came now. Okay. In further video, I am going to explain about only Infosys system engineer interview. You can get clear details in that video. Arun Kumar: please help me for Infosys interview and TCS placement too. Okay, actually now the Cognizant is going on. That's why I am doing videos on Cognizant. After 2 to 3 days, the Cognizant interviews will be completed. From that day onwards, I will concentrate on other companies, because as of now all the students are busy with the Cognizant. If I do videos on TCS, it will not be helpful to them because they are preparing for Cognizant. That's why I am doing one Cognizant. At the end of the 2 days, at the end of this week, I will start the TCS and Accenture and all these type of videos and the jobs without coding. All these videos will be started from the Monday onwards, okay. Here next one is Pratik Rai: I have completed 4 questions in Automata and average in restaurants. Any chance will? Okay, you may have chances for the selection. When results will be out? I think almost already results are out for some colleges. Just check with your TPO, your campus placement officer, okay. Nikhil Sharma: sir, in one Automata question I completed the question, but at the exact same time and the time got over. Due to this, I did not able to submit the question. So sir, I want to ask, will my question will automatically submitted for analysis? No, it will not be submitted for analysis if you are not executed. If you are executed, then you have chances to submit it for analysis. Om Prakash Reddy: sir, I have done aptitude logical essay writing very well, but Automata only out of 7. Will I get qualified for next round? Yes, you have chances for the Gen C, okay, general cognizant, I think, but you don't have chance for Gen C next, okay. Don't worry, anyone you will get, but be prepared well for the technical interview round. If you don't know how to prepare resume well, then contact me. I will provide the number in description. You can contact me through WhatsApp number. I will provide full details how to prepare for the resume and all these things, okay. I will prepare resume and send it to you. HR and technical will be combined for Gen Z or separate? I will not sure about this, because based on the time requirements they will conduct the interviews. If they don't have time, then you will combine the HR and technical like TCS. If they have time, if they want to interview you in depth, they will ask separately. Sir, is there any chances to change application details given in CTS exam platform? I don't know about it. .NET work, but I unfortunately selected it. I want change in there and a positive. Sir, is there any chances to change application details given in CTS exam in AMCAT platform? Don't worry, guys. If even you give the just changes, it's not confirmed. After the selection, they will ask you again on which technology you are interested. Even you give technology, they will not give the technology. They will give the required technology. You have to stick on the technology, but it's not our chance to select. Okay, all the questions are answered in this video. I think in further video I will answer the remaining videos comments. And one thing I mentioned, I provided in the Telegram group in description. If you want to join, by click and you can join in that and you will get job notification. And second one is I am providing my WhatsApp number in description. Contact me regarding the digital resume or video resume or normal digital resume, and I will tell the process, and then I will do it for you and I will send it to you through mail. And third one is I will provide the Cognizant and other stuff job notification links in description. You can go through and you can get knowledge and you can enjoy those videos. And it's the time to end the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your patience, and please do subscribe, like and share this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Jai Hind.